Morning, folks, and welcome back to Classic Mish Mish, my meaningful moments to share with you the ancient art of numerology and the fabulous wisdom that's found in each of the numbers from 1 to 9 and master numbers 11 and 22. We've been talking this past week about the number 7. The number 7 can be the scientist, the number 7 can be the spiritualist, the number 7 can also be the student. However, trust. Sevens have a lot of issue with trust, and therefore all that amazingness that the number 7 is and can be can go absolutely nowhere without that trust. So same applies to you folks, same applies to me, same applies to us. Without trust in our lives, it's very hard to get very far or to get there happily. So let's talk about trust. Do you trust the decisions, the choices and decisions that you make? Do you trust the commitments that you have, that you make in your life? Do you trust in your ability to follow through on the commitments that you've made? I wanted to talk about this fabulous college that I found in my late 20s. It was called the Australian College of Metaphysical Studies. And I did lots of lovely, enlightening courses there. And in one of the courses, the headline for that module was, every decision I make is the right decision. And I tell you what, as always happens to me in life, I heard it, I resonated with it, it made sense to me, I took it on board and I've used it ever since. And what it did was instill in me that belief, that absolute belief that every decision I make is the right decision. And I'll tell you why. Because in making that decision, it's not that every decision worked out beautifully or went according to plan. But what it did mean when I really thought about it, and I want you to think about it, every decision moved me. Every choice moved me. It moved me to a different place, to a different person, to a different situation. And in doing that, in moving, I found something, someone, somewhere that moved me on to somewhere else. And that somewhere else was exactly where I needed to be. So every decision I make is the right decision. If you want to start instilling that trust in yourself in that very same way that I did, pick up that affirmation, I am statement. Every decision I make is the right decision, and see how you go. Michelle's got this all my classic Mish Mish, courtesy of Michelle Scott, numerologist. So yeah, tell your friends about it, folks. See you soon. Bye. Wow. Hey folks, here it is. This is my latest learning, The Emotional Life of Your Brain. Folks, this book proves yet again that what you say to yourself each and every day absolutely matters, that it affects not only how you think, but also those spots and spaces in your brain. Of course, those spots and spaces have real medical names, none of which I can say here today. But I can say that the number 1 is all about self-belief. I want you to think now about what you say to yourself each and every single day that has you doubting yourself, okay? Now I want you to think of 3 words that you would prefer. How would you prefer to be feeling each and every day? For me, it's confidence, it's self-assuredness, it's self-centeredness. So I want to feel confident, self-assured, self-centered. So now I put I am in front of that, folks. I am confident, self-assured, self-centered. And then I want you to say those 3 words over and over again. Every time you remember to say them, you say them. And that's a quick and easy way to build happiness, folks, from the inside out. First video, looking forward to many more. And maybe I'll get the right tools, because holding the phone like this can be a little bit tiring. Morning.